Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math Subtracting from 4, 5, and 6. So happy to be teaching this once again since I mainly focus on, programming and I don't really have the time to be teaching this. And thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be learning a whole different thing with subtracting, similarly to what we learned with addition. Okay, so first off, how do you subtract from a number? We've learned how we can add from a number. What about subtracting? Okay, and since it's quite complicated, let's just narrow it down to three numbers: 4, 5, and 6. All right. Now, how many elephants do I have over here? I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 elephants. Now, let's say 4 minus 1. What's the difference of 4 and 1? So I'm going to cross out one elephant. We have 3. So the difference between 4 and 1 is 3. Now, what happens if I cross out another 1? 2. 2 is the difference between 4 and 2. Okay? What if I cross out one more? Cross out one more over here. Now I only have 1 left. So what is the difference between 4 and 3? It is 1, correct? Now what happens if I cross all of them out? Now it becomes 4 minus 4, all right? Now, what is 4 minus 4? It is 0. But what happens if I don't cross out any at all? What is 4 minus 0? It's going to be 4, okay? Because we still have 4 elephants. We have not crossed out any at all. Let's move on to the next number represented by the birds over here. How many yellow birds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 birds. Now, what if I don't cross out any at all? 6 minus 0 is, like 4, it is 6. Okay? Now, what if I cross out, let's say, 3 birds? What is 6 minus 3? What's the difference? It is 3. Very good. What if I cross out one more? So what is the difference between 6 and 4? It is 2. Now I also want to mention 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. As you can see, subtraction and addition, they're related in that way. Now, let's move on to the last number that we're working with. How many dragonflies do I have here? I have 5 of them, all right? Now, what happens if I simply cross out 2? 5 minus 2. Well, I have 3. I have 3 left, all right? I cross out 2 more. 5 minus 4. 1 left. The difference is 1. Now, 5 minus 5. You should remember this. It's very simple. 5 minus 5. What is the difference? It is 0. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0. Now, let's have a little bit of an exercise. We have a bunch of animals over here. What do we have? We have a frog, a lion, and a bunch of giraffes. We're going to cross out some of them to find the difference. All right? Now, I'm just going to start crossing out randomly, and then you tell me what the difference is. Let's work with these frogs. How many frogs do we have? We have 5. I'm going to cross out this one, and let's see this one. All right. So I've crossed out 3 frogs. What is 5 minus 3 frogs? What is the difference? 2 left, very visible, right? We have 1 and 2. Okay, to these lions, how many lions do we have? We have 4. Now, what happens if I cross all of them out? I've crossed all of them out. How many lines do we have left? 4 minus 4. 0. We have 0. Absolutely correct. 0 lions left for us. Now, how many giraffes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to start crossing out some. I'm going to cross this one out, this one, and this one. Yeah. So I'm just going to cross out 3. What is 6 minus 3? We've talked about this before. 6 minus 3. Well, if you look at the picture, it's very easy to say we only have 3 left. All right, very good. What happens if I cross out one more? 5 minus 4. What's 5 minus 4? Oh, sorry. What is 6 minus 4? 2. We have 2 left. 1, 2. Very good, everyone. Let's move on to the next part. We're going to have a little bit of a practice now from what we've learned. Okay, we've learned 6, 5, and 4 and different ways that we can subtract different numbers from them. And this is just, a little bit of brushing up, a little bit of memory, a little bit of practice so we can hone our skills better. Okay, everyone, what is 6 minus 5? 6 minus 5? Let's go back to our giraffes. Let me just erase these very quickly. Okay. 6 giraffes minus 5 of them. How many do we have left? 1. Now this one is easy. 6 minus 0. What is 6 minus 0? It is 6 because we don't minus out anything. Now, what is 6 minus 6? 6 minus 6. It is 0. 6 minus 4, everyone. 6 minus 4. Let's go over here and cross out 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Very good. 2. Now, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is actually 4, okay? Let's do a bit of checking. 6 minus 2, correct? 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? Next up, 6 minus 1. Now, this is very easy. We just need to go back one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back one number. We have 5, okay? Next up, 6 minus 3. We've had this 2 times already. 6 minus 3 is 3. Very good, everyone. Next up, 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? Let's go over here. 5 frogs minus 2 frogs. We have 3 frogs left. 3. Now, 5 minus 3 instead. 5 minus 3 is... We have 5, 5, 3, 3. So 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now we can double check this. 5 minus 2. 3, right? We have 2 left, right? 5 minus 2 equals 2. Next up, 5 minus 1. Just like 6 minus 1, we need to go back one number. 5 minus 1 is 4. Next up, 5 minus 0. You should know this. Very simple. 5 minus nothing. We have 5. Now, what about 5 minus 5? It is 0. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Good job. You can double check. Right? 5 minus 4 is 1. Let's move on to the 4 section. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 4, the same as 5 minus 5, and 6 minus 6, it is 0. 5 minus 4, go back one number, we have 3. Now, 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 minus 2 is, let's go back here, 4 minus 2 is 2, okay? Now, last but not least, let's do one last problem before we end our lesson. Jessica bought 5 apples from the supermarket. Her sister brought 6 apples. Each of them, oops, I have a little typo over here. Let me just erase this. Each of them gave 4 apples to their mother. How many do they have left? Okay, now let's identify our number. Jessica bought 5 apples, right? She bought 5 apples from the supermarket. So Jessica, J, have 5. Her sister, I'm just going to go with S, has 6. Okay, so which one buys more? Her sister. Her sister bought more apples than Jessica. Now, each of them, okay, so Jessica and her sister gave 4 away to who? To their mother. So 5 minus 4 is what? 5 minus 4? Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4 is 1. So Jessica has 1 left. 6 minus 4 is... What's 6 minus 4, everyone? Let's cross out some giraffes over here. Let's cross out 4 giraffes. How many do we have left? We have 2. 1 and 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. How many do they have left? So we're talking they. We're talking Jessica and her sister. We're not talking just one. So what we're going to do is we're going to add, right? Addition, sum. What is the sum of 1 and 2? It is 3, okay? 3 what, everyone? What's the unit? 3 of what? 3 apples. 3 apples. All right? Okay, everyone, you did a great job. Now, thank you for watching, and I do hope that you understand a lot and you learned something good, something new today that you can apply into your daily life. Our next topic is subtracting from 7, 8, 9. So we're stepping up a bit. Okay, we're advancing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.